chemist. It's how to cook, this shit is alchemy. You see limits, you read out of books that teach blasphemy. I see an image of how it looks when we get past the dream of all the fake shit in this world. I know there has to be a better way. Will I ever feel alone again? Will I ever feel alone again? Will I ever feel alone again? Will I ever feel alone?
What do you want?